Hey guys, today let's learn how to turn off link history on your Facebook. So if you guys would like to go ahead and basically turn this option off, this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application. And once we're already here, basically we can actually do and go ahead to next is the option to turn this off over on our Facebook settings. So once you're already on your Facebook settings, I want you to proceed with accessing your, the specific link that you'd like to go ahead and just basically turn off. So in this case, what I want you guys to basically go ahead and do is to proceed with tapping on your names over here and then basically going ahead and proceeding with the specific link that you have posted. But if in the case that you didn't really post any link as of the current moment, you could actually go ahead and access this as well over on your settings. So scroll down on your settings and privacy right here and then tap on settings right here. Now, once you're already here, I want you to go ahead and basically scroll to the option that is going to show you your browser settings. So I want you to go ahead and tap on your preferences and then tap on browser, and you should see the option for you to turn off and enable your link history through here. So as you would see, you could actually go ahead and proceed with clearing your browsing data and also your autofill contact. But in this case, we want to go ahead and tap on our browsing data and then basically clear it. Now what this is going to do is basically going to go ahead and clear all of your browsing data, including your link history. So if you want to go ahead and just turn that off, just go ahead and just clear your browsing data from time to time to turn it off. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.